Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on the Redtiger F4 Pro 4K and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know whether or not this dual channel dashcam is worth it or not. The Redtiger F4 Pro 4K is a dashcam that provides a compelling balance of high-end features and user-friendly operation. A significant pro is its dual camera setup which records a clear 4K video from the front and a 1080p video from the rear. This dual coverage is essential for capturing a comprehensive record of events on the road. The camera is also praised for its ease of use, thanks to a responsive 2.2-inch touchscreen and convenient voice control commands that allows drivers to manage the camera without taking their eyes off the road. Another key advantage of the F4 Pro is its excellent night vision capabilities, largely due to its Sony Starvis 2 sensor. This technology ensures that the footage remains clear and detailed even in low light conditions, which is crucial for capturing license plates and other vital information at night. The camera also includes a free 128GB SD card and built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which provides fast direct downloads to a smartphone. The 24-hour parking mode, when used with a hardware kit, is a highly valued feature for protecting the vehicle from hit and run and vandalism even when parked. However, the Redtiger F4 Pro is not without its limitation. While it is marketed as a 4K camera, some reviews from 2025 suggest that the video is upscaled, meaning it may not provide the same true 4K clarity as some higher-end competitors. The user interface on the app, while functional, is less robust than some rivals and can be buggy at times. Furthermore, the parking mode requires a separately purchased hardware kit to function, which adds to the total cost and complexity of the setup. It is best suited for an everyday driver who wants a simple, feature-rich dashcam, but is not necessarily a tech enthusiast. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.